Hello, John Gucken here in Clarence from Airline Hydraulics, bringing you another way to connect extrusion together. Today we are illustrating our new T-Matic connector. It consists of a threaded connector and a roll-in T-nut. The benefits are no machining, ease of assembly, and easily adjustable, with no obstruction in the grooves for panel installations. Strong joints, but if you want additional strength, you can easily add another one. It's basically a one-shot deal. Clarence is going to show you how it's put together. Step 1, have your cut extrusion.
So it's like this, and to install it, you have to pull this back so you can get your wrench into it.
And that's how you screw it in.
And then that's how you screw it in. Go into the groove. It's a self-threading insert.
Thread the barrel until flush with the end of the extrusion.
Now for assembly, you can put this in and drive them. This is a pro tip.
Pro tip.
I love it. So,
Make sure it's flush.
okay, now you gotta push your bolt outward.
You put the roll-in T-nut into the mating groove.
Spring loaded so they snap in the groove.
Note that the T-nut has a thread that's not in the center, and you want to have that facing more to the end of the strut.
Okay, now with the wrench, you want to tighten the screw down onto the T-block.
Then fully torque it down.
Or relocate, just simply loosen and slide, relock.
Thanks for joining us. Hope you learned something new. If you need help or have application questions, reach out to us through this link and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss our next video. To adjust the extrusion, you can simply loosen. This is bad.
Fine.
You want him in this film?
Yeah.
You stand here. Get the candy out of there, would you, kid? It's like a Halloween time. It's like eating candy. What's with the Reese's cup? It's a wrapper here. Okay. Thanks for joining us. Hope you learned something new.